guys, welcome back with me and welcome back to my channel. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you the news of cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. The title is Crypto exchange hotbit suspends service after law enforcement freeze its funds, subpoenas senior managers. Crypto exchange Hotbit has announced the suspension of trading, deposits, withdrawals, and funding on its platform. The exchange said law enforcement has frozen some of its funds and subpoenaed some senior managers as they investigate a criminal case involving the exchange's former employee. Hotbit suspends trading deposits withdrawals. Cryptocurrency exchange Hotbit announced the suspension of its service on Wednesday. The company wrote, "We regret to inform you that Hotbit will have to suspend trading, deposit, withdrawal, and funding functions. The exact time of resumption cannot be determined at the moment." The exchange detailed that the reason for the suspension is because a former management employee is suspected of violating criminal laws. The employee left Hotbit in April. Unbeknownst to exchange, he was involved in a project last year that was in violation of the company's internal practice. The announcement details law enforcement has subpoenaed a number of Hotbit senior managers. Since the end of July, they are currently assisting the authorities in the investigation. The exchange added, elaborating. Furthermore, law enforcement has frozen some funds of Hotbit, which has prevented Hotbit from running normally. Hotbit's website states that the exchange has more than 700,000 registered users from more than 210 countries. By focusing on the world's emerging markets such as the markets of Russia, Japan, South Korea, Turkey, and Southeast Asian countries, Hotbit has gathered its users from Twitter, Telegram, VK, and Facebook. The website details the exchange does not provide service for users in a number of countries, including the United States, China, Singapore, and Japan. Hotbit's website states the exchange has more than registered users from more than 210 countries. So guys, that's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to, before you close this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.